All right, notice this one, x squared minus, or times 2x minus 1, evaluate if x equals negative 2. G of x equals x squared times 2x minus 1, the exact same expression. Find g of negative 2. So again, all they're doing in this function notation, they're naming this expression g, and the expression's about x. Okay, so g of x equals that expression. Find g of negative 2. G tells me to go to this function, because that's what function g is, and change x to a negative 2. So, g of negative 2 equals, x is being squared, so negative 2 is being squared. Be careful, just like regular evaluation problems, if a letter is being raised to a power, sign and number are both being raised to that power. So make sure you put parentheses around that when you substitute in. And then I got 2 times x minus 1. So in each case, the x got changed to a negative 2 because that's what x equals in the functional value problem. Again, as I'm working it out, I don't have to keep writing g of negative 2. I'm just going to keep putting an equal sign to remind myself that there's something over there. But negative 2 squared is equal to positive 4. Again, the sign and the number being squared, negative 2 times negative 2. Two negatives make a positive. Inside here, 2 times negative 2 makes negative 4. Those signs are opposite, creating that negative. And then minus 1 is just minus 1. 4 times negative 4 minus 1, this equals negative 5. And finally, I multiply 4 times 5 makes 20, opposite signs makes it a negative 20, and g of negative 2 equals that number. You're not doing anything to g of negative 2 except identifying it in your answer. It doesn't mean to do anything else. The final answer is negative 20. G of negative 2 happens to equal that. Again, this is the exact same problem. Change all the x's to negative 2's. You would have gotten the exact same expression here. Work it out, you get the exact same answer. So, again, we've done this before. I know we've done this before. This is just a different way of looking at it. That's going to be used more often. Familiarize yourself.